What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. And today we're going to make the world's most powerful and biggest confetti popper. Let's check this out. So first we're gonna put fuse in, right?
Yep.
And then what is this stuff?
Paradex.
Paradex.
Gunpowder, like you use in primitive weapons.
Okay.
4 caps is all you need.
4 or 3? Last time we did 3 cups.
Yeah.
This time we're doing 4 because for the
4 is
video.
good, 5 is a bang.
Oh, okay, so we'll do 4.
We'll do 4. It's just the same concept as in the Civil War era when they had cannons.
So then you put a rug in.
That's a packing wad.
Will look like a broom.
Yeah, oh, this is a broom handle. All right, you're packed in.
Okay.
Then in the Civil War, they'd put a ball in here,
and
then that's what they'd shoot down range. And
but this time we're gonna put bunch of confetti and make a world biggest confetti popper.
okay.
That is gonna. I think we gotta pack it in all the way. Oh no, I keep missing it. Yeah, you see, we got a lot of confetti, so definitely one of the biggest confetti popper you'll ever see. At least most powerful as well, right?
Yes, yes.
Nice, good idea. So should we like stuff the whole box? Is it gonna be too stuff or no?
No, you'll be fine. It'll come out.
Okay, good.
You want to put more in?
Yeah, let's fill it in. Oh, here you go, now it works.
There you go.
The whole bucket of confetti. Boom. Really tough.
Now, you're ready to fire.
Sweet. Okay, this is good.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Yeah, you got that right. Hopefully they can't even buy the gunpowder and stuff.
Oh, they can. Walmart.
Well, you gotta be 18, you know?
That's right. It's the
Okay.
same type of gunpowder you use in primitive weapons, ball and gun.
Black powder. Okay. I think we're good. Let's do it.
Ready?
Go. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
What was in that thing?
Woo! Oh, I can hear out of my ear. It was so loud. Wow, what happened to the cannon? It flew backwards. It's crazy. What happened to confetti? That was so fast. Look, there's all over. All over. Wow. Look, all the way here. There's some over here, all the way here. Like, what is it, like 20 feet out? Look, there's a lot. Oh, this is... Ooh, it burned up a little bit. This is what we stuffed it in. There's another one. Wow. Let's see that in slow motion.